Hey everyone, welcome back. Lad from the woods here. Well, it's Tuesday afternoon, around 1:45. I gotta head into the doctor's. So we're gonna try and drive this new truck. Not I try, it's just it's hard to explain. But anyway, yeah, I gotta go in and get my injection and pick up my pills at the pharmacy. So we're gonna head into town. This is hard to do one-handed. Here, let me put you guys down for a second there. I've been warming up the truck for 10 minutes, so should be good and warm. I woke up at 10 o'clock this morning, which was nice because I went to sleep early. But I've had a chill just that won't leave me. And I haven't been anywhere. I didn't catch a cold. I'm not cold, but I really do think I have that long COVID because I can't think of anything else. Now, I haven't had these shots for a while. These ones here. What's it called? Okay, it just says testosterone enanthate. 0.6 ml every 2 weeks. So this is my new one I got to bring to the doctor's office with me. So I'm going to do that and have you guys join me, obviously. Hey Goldie, off my jacket. Double layering her up, I'll tell you. Oh, my phone connected to the truck. I didn't even do it, but it did it all the way from inside here. What the hell? Yeah, that's what it did. I guess that's close enough. I'm inside here. I didn't think this phone would pick up the truck. Isn't that something else? Anyway, I'm not in the mood for music today. So, yeah. We got another snowstorm coming. Thursday, it looks like 15 inches. Sorry, 15 centimeters. And that's about 6 inches. And then the next day, and of course I always say this, is that whenever, what the hell? I don't know what happened there. The screen went off. That shouldn't be doing that. I got lots of power and stuff. Anyway, yeah, Thursday we've got 6 inches of snow coming, or 15 centimeters, which means here probably get double that. Alrighty. And hey, we'll do a quick walk around the truck too now. Pills. Let's feed the squirrels and the birds. Okay, you cats, keep an eye on things. Okay, Wally, you gonna keep an eye on things, buddy? Yeah. Okay. Goldie, you too. Oh, Blackie, they all got full bellies. They don't care. I just fed them their canned food. So, oh, yeah, she's minus. She went down to minus, I woke up, it was minus 14 Celsius. And, oh, truck's shut off already. I guess that's the 15 minutes. I didn't think I was that long. Marvin! Marvin, come eat! My crazy little squirrel. Anyway, here she is in all her glory. Yeah, oh. Slippery, wow, and hard. The snow is hard as rock. Okay. It knocked the whole thing off its gimbal here. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. So there she is. It's a Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7 liter. I don't even know what that is in cubic inches. I'll have to figure it out. And yeah, they call this a Warlock because it's the outdoor, you know, like what I had before was the Outdoorsman. Anyway, I'm going to walk gently here because I'm not sinking in the snow like I expected. But yeah, it's -10 out right now. It was -14. No, I'm not walking to the doctor's. Oh, this fucking thing. Okay. It's the screensaver. It goes off while I'm working, like while I'm recording. Well, that's stupid. I reset it to back to factory settings, and I managed to get it to work better than it was, but I guess I forgot to turn off the okay. Supposed to put it into neutral. I got to get it out of 4-wheel drive. Welcome, driver one. Oh my God. Star Trek, eh? Anyway, oh, you know what? I'm going to shut this off and take that screensaver off because that's definitely not working the way I want it to. Okay, I'll be back. There we go. I'm going to turn that music off if I can figure out how to turn it off. Okay. Hang on, guys. There we go. Nope. I don't have my thing in here. I don't have anything in here, as a matter of fact. Anyway, once we get some warm weather, I'll start transferring the stuff from the old truck in here. All right, warp drive, Captain. So this is the third time I've driven it. 106 kilometers on it. It's got a full tank of gas, though. That's what they give me. I haven't gone anywhere. Supposed to go grocery shopping on Thursday, but that's when the snowstorm is coming, you see. So we'll have to see what's going on. It's a 4-wheel drive. I'm not too worried about the truck, but the fucking tires, like I've complained before, they're not my ones that I like. But, you know, you got what you got, right? So, yes, what was I saying? Thursday, it's going to be 6 inches or more up here. Like I said, it'll be more like, it won't be double that, but it'll be, unless the weather thing changes, which has been changing. But, like, they're saying 15 centimeters, so I'm figuring 20, 25 centimeters here, which is, you know, around 8 inches or so. And then Friday, there's a further 10 centimeters coming, which will end up being 15, so that's another 6 inches. So we're going to get over a foot over 2 days. Anyway, I'm going into town now, too. We're going to stop at, after the doctors, we're going to stop at the Lanark small engine and book him to come get the ATV. He'll probably have to come get it tomorrow because, you know, he'll want to come before the snowstorm, I hope. Anyway, we'll see how busy Everett is. My neighbor. I have got to get somebody to come over and get this goddamn wood stove lifted into there. She's so brand new. It's like, it's even got new truck smell. I've never smelled that before. Well, no, that's not true. When I was a kid, my dad and mom had, and it was the last of the year that they ever made them. It was a 1971 Ford Falcon. They didn't look anything like the earlier Falcons, although my dad had a 62 Falcon, same age as my birth before. But the 71 was, it was like a cream banana yellow, ugly as sin, black, I don't know, it wasn't leather, but black, whatever it was for that time, plastic. The thing was it was a monster. I remember when they sold that, they couldn't have been happier. That one, actually, I think they traded it for the, it was, well, it was used, but it was a used four-door Dodge at the time with a 360 in it. 1970, it was probably a 73 or a 74, so it was still fairly new, but anyway, I mean, we couldn't have anything else up here. That Falcon was useless. You know, two-wheel drive at the back, rear-wheel drive. You know, you get 3 snowflakes, and well, you know, no traction whatsoever. Who that was? Looked familiar, actually. All quiet in Watson's Corners. The steering wheel in this thing is a lot thicker than the last one. This one's thick in your hands. I'm hoping that the snowstorm doesn't start. I'll have to check what time they figure it's coming in. There is a chance, though, that it might miss us. There is something about that. If it doesn't do something to do with the low here in Ontario. If the low starts here from whatever's coming in from out west, and it'll start